Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything that matters. Make sure the Crusher wireless case has charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, remove both buds from the case or open the lid. This signals the earbuds to enter pairing readiness. You want them awake and discoverable, so confirm any LED flashes on the case. If you see a steady or alternating blink, you're ready to move on. Make sure your phone is within 2 to 3 feet to speed discovery. Next, open your device's Bluetooth menu and scan for new devices. Select Crusher Wireless when it appears. Tap to pair and accept any on-screen prompts. If a PIN is requested, use 0000. While pairing, allow media and call permissions so audio routes correctly and the microphone works. Once paired, your device will show connected status and the LEDs will usually change to solid. If you plan to switch devices later, turn off other nearby Bluetooth to avoid auto-connecting to the wrong source. Finally, play audio and check the Crusher bass slider so you confirm the tactile bass is working. Adjust volume gradually. If audio is distorted or left/right balance is off, power cycle the earbuds and your phone, then reconnect. For stubborn issues, reset the earbuds by holding the power and pairing controls for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. If problems persist, clear the Crusher entry from your device's Bluetooth list and repeat pairing to eliminate cached conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.